Hey guys, in this video, I'll be showing you how to fix the Roblox low memory error message. Now this error usually indicates that you're either running out of storage space or you're running out of memory and physical RAM. So to fix this, you first need to head over to the settings app on your phone, scroll down and select general from the list. Scroll down and select iPhone storage, and right at the top here, you'll see how much space we have available on our device. So you can see I have 64 gigabytes out of 128 gigabytes, which is more than enough space to run Roblox. If, however, you are running out of space, say you have less than 2 gigabytes available, you will need to free up some space, and you can do that either by removing some photos or deleting some applications, but you'll need to ensure that you have at least 2 gigabytes free of storage. Once you've ensured you have enough storage space, just scroll down this list of applications until you see Roblox. You might need to hit the Show All button, and once you found Roblox, just click on the application, select Offload App, and then click on Offload App. Now once you've done that, you'll need to hit Reinstall App, and give that a couple of seconds to reinstall. Once you've done that, we then need to head back over to the previous window, back again, and inside of this general tab we now need to come down to software update, and if you find any software updates inside of here, you'll need to also install these. Sometimes outdated software can also cause memory issues, so just go ahead and perform those updates now. Now the last thing you can do to avoid getting this memory issue is just to make sure you've closed down all of your background applications when trying to play Roblox. So you can see here are all the devices I currently have running on my phone. So we just want to close out of each of these and make sure to only have the Roblox application open when we're playing. And once you've performed all of these steps, that should have now fixed the memory issue in Roblox. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.